This is a video about how to use New Entry's wash pack station. Before we do a demonstration, let's take a quick walkthrough of our setup. Our farm manager Leah will demonstrate how to use the wash pack station with harvested kale. She's already filled the wash tub and is removing the kale from field heat. She's also rinsing out her dirty harvest bin. While the kale soaks, she sanitizes and labels a bin that the kale will later go into. The kale is finished soaking, and now she transports it to the spray table. Now she empties and cleans the wash tub. She sets it upside down to let it air dry. She picks up any leaves that have fallen from the table and puts it in the compost bucket. Now she sprays off any remaining dirt from the kale. Now she's cleaning the spray table by scrubbing, spraying, and sanitizing it. All done. Now she's ready to take it to the cooler. If you have any more questions about how to use the wash pack station, please contact the farm manager. Thank you for watching.